Please welcome the CEO of PTC, Jim Heppelmann.
Wow. Good morning, and welcome to LiveWorx 23. It's great to see so many of you here in the audience today, and I know there's about 5,000 more online as well. Thank you all for joining us. Because of COVID, it's been 4 long years since we've held LiveWorx in person like this. So much has changed during that time. But every disruption creates new opportunities too, and right now, we find ourselves in one of the greatest periods of change for industrial companies that I can recall. And most of it revolves around digital transformation in one form or another. Now, back in 2019, digital transformation was simpler. It meant getting to market faster with lower costs and higher quality. But now on top of that, there's a push to reshore, to make your products more intelligent, your factories more efficient, to build more resilient supply chains, and to make your companies and products more sustainable and compliant, and to accelerate growth by complementing your products with services. Digital transformation is key to all of that. Here at LiveWorx, we're going to show you how PTC, together with our ecosystem of partners, can help you capture this moment and transform how you do business. Since the last LiveWorx here in Boston, PTC has been very busy. We've invested more than $3 billion in organic development and acquisitions, all to help you capitalize on the opportunities that we'll talk about today. With the acquisition of Onshape and then Arena, followed by the launch of our broader software as a service strategy, we've taken on a pioneering role to bring our industry to the SaaS era. We've doubled down in support of the role software plays in manufactured products with our Codebeamer acquisition. We've acquired ServiceMax and positioned it as the core of the world's most powerful solution for efficiently servicing the products that you make. Let me give a special warm welcome to all of the new customers who have joined us here at LiveWorx from the Onshape, Arena, Codebeamer, and ServiceMax ecosystems. I promise that this morning and throughout the entire event, you'll see how important you are to PTC's vision of the future. Now, these big inorganic moves didn't distract from the core business, they reinforced it. Creo and Windchill have prospered, while ThingWorx, Kepware, and Vuforia have matured into powerful business solutions that tap into the digital thread. In fact, every year since I last stood on this stage, Creo's growth rate has surpassed that of all other major CAD systems. Meanwhile, Windchill's explosive growth rate has propelled PTC into the PLM category leadership position. With a portfolio that's growing double the rate of our big PLM competitors. With so much momentum across both the newer and older parts of the portfolio, PTC now ranks amongst the fastest growing and most profitable companies in our entire industry. Over the course of this morning's presentation, I'm going to show you how all this progress comes together to support a new era of digital transformation. We are helping leading-edge industrial companies to move with greater speed and agility, to create a digital thread across the full product lifecycle so they can be more efficient, sustainable, and compliant, and to tackle the ultimate transformation by moving to SaaS. Let's dive into it.